There are so many questions surrounding the rollout of the vaccine across the state. The number's not even close to where they need to be. We expected to bring up the community's concerns with State Health Director Dr. Cara Christ today, but she had no interest in listening. The state of Arizona is facing a dire situation. State hospitals caring for record numbers of COVID-19 patients, the rollout of a life-saving vaccine plagued by delays, ranking the state one of the slowest in the distribution process. And this was how the state's top doc responded to questions today.
Dr. Christ, why aren't you going to answer questions?
Dr. Cara Christ, just moments after receiving her vaccine, walked out. In earshot of that very room, a super spreader event taking place outside the state capitol. Even as these select first responders, doctors, and frontline workers get their second dose of vaccine, hundreds of thousands of people in phase 1B and C continue to receive vague details on how and when they'll get the shot. 119,000 have gotten it so far, but even those have acknowledged the pace must pick up.
Yeah, that looks good.
I agree. I think we have to work on getting the shots in the arms, which is always the hardest part.
We need to bring those numbers up without a doubt.
Will Humble, former state health director, says Dr. Cara Christ knows the job, but is failing to perform.
Nobody got an opportunity to ask those kinds of questions because it was always geared to be a photo opportunity.
Like many other experts we've spoken with, he doesn't see how Maricopa County can expect to move forward to later phases only using the current pod system.
For healthcare workers with direct patient care, I think the pod system had a reasonable chance of success. Not when you go to 1B. I don't see how that system could scale up to where it would work. Too bad you couldn't have asked that question to the director today.
The county today, following Dr. Christ's press conference, suddenly called one of their own.
Thank you for the question.
Assuring the pod system would be supported by other locations, but when and where is yet to be known. Since vaccinations began on December 17th, 1,028 Arizonans have died from the coronavirus, and it should be that figure motivating health leaders to act and answer the tough questions.
Can you talk to us about the hospitals?
I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.